Welcome to a lecture on Introduction to Syllabus of Energy Audit and Management, Elective 2 of BE Mechanical Part 1, 2015 course. This subject covers following units: Unit 1, General Aspects of Energy Management; Unit 2, Energy Audit; Unit 3, Energy Economics; 4, Energy Efficiency in Thermal Utilities; 5, Energy Efficiency in Electrical Utilities; and 6, Cogeneration and Waste Heat Recovery. Let us see. Unit number 1 will take review about general aspects of energy management. In this unit, you will study about current energy scenario of India and world, current energy consumption pattern in global and Indian industry. You will study about concept of energy conservation, means saving of energy by reduction of losses, and environment. You will study need of renewable energy, principle of energy management, energy policy, energy action planning. You will know about energy security and reliability. The second unit, that is energy audit, you will study need of energy audit, its types, methodology, instruments used in energy audit, analysis and recommendations of energy audit for energy report writing. You will study Current Energy Conservation Act. Third unit, that is energy economics, which covers about determination of cost of different utilities like steam, natural gas, compressed air and electricity. This unit has numerical on financial analysis techniques such as simple payback, time value of money, net present value and return on investment. Unit 4, Energy Efficiency in Thermal Utilities. In this unit, you will study numericals on efficiency improvement of various thermal utilities like boiler, furnaces, heat exchangers, cooling towers, DG sets, fans, blowers, pumps, compressors, heating, ventilating, air conditioning systems. You will study about assessment of steam distribution losses, steam leakages, steam trapping, condensate and flash steam recovery system. Fifth unit, Energy Efficiency in Electrical Utilities, covers about electricity billing, electrical load management, maximum demand control, penalties. You will study here about power factor improvement and benefits. You will know about selection of capacitors and location, distribution and transformer losses. You will understand different types of motors, their efficiency, selection, speed controls. You will know about introduction of Electricity Act. As far as lighting system is concerned, its performance assessment, there are some numericals based on efficiency improvement and recommended elimination levels. Last unit, cogeneration and waste heat recovery. In this unit, you will study about cogeneration. In a brief, cogeneration is generation of electrical power in especially sugar industry. The power is used for the running various machinery. Remaining power is sold to the grid. So about its need, application, advantage and classification. You will understand waste heat recovery systems, about their classification, application, commercial devices and energy saving potential. You will study here about clean development mechanism projects and case study on energy audit of institute and department. So these all were the syllabus content of this subject. About the material, you can refer these books which are mentioned here, and these are 2 websites which are given here. After studying energy audit management subject, in the future you can use knowledge of EAM for effective utilization of energy in industries. You can find different energy saving opportunities in various systems. Also, you can use this knowledge for the examination of energy auditor. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.